you have this employee database with you where the name, gender, department and salary of hundreds of employees are given. Now you want to sort the employees as per certain criteria, say gender and department wise and above a certain salary amount and know their total salary. So you can do this with the filter function of Excel. Type filter, open the bracket, select the table that you want to get your data from, place one comma, put the criteria based on which you want to filter your data. If you want to filter the data based on the gender of the employees, then select the B column here, which is the data of the gender of the employees, and place one equals to, select this cell where you will put the gender of the employee that you want to filter out, that is male or female. Close the bracket, put one asterisk, open another bracket for the second condition, and this time select the department column. Put one equals to sign and select the cell where you will put the department as an option. Okay, now close the bracket and put another asterisk for the third criteria, that is the salary more than a certain limit. Open another bracket, select the column with the salary, and this time instead of an equals to sign, put one greater than sign and select the cell where you will put the minimum salary you want to filter out. Now close this bracket, put one comma, and here you should provide one error message so that if Excel doesn't find any of the records in the table with your given criteria, then it can show as an error message. So here I am typing there is no such data and closing the bracket and now hitting enter. Now it is showing there is no such data because I have not put the gender and the department of the employees in this place till now. Now I will put first female in the gender cell, and in the cell of department I will put say operations and hit enter. Now you see that from this big table one small table is created with the criteria that is given by you, and you can change any of these parameters. Say you can put here 40,000. See the changes in the table. You can also change the gender or you can change the department as well. Now if you want to restrict your users to provide options within the data that are already in the table, like for gender male or female only, and for department sales, marketing, engineering only from these options, then you can use the data validation feature of Excel. You can go to the data tab, and before starting the data validation, list out the options that you want to give to your users. Like for gender, I want to give the options only male and female. And for department, sales, marketing, engineering, accounts, operations. And now I will go to this cell and go to the data validation from here and select the data validation option. From here, I will select the list option, and for the source, I will select these two cells. I will enter OK. And for department also, similar to that, I will go to this data validation, will select list. From source, I will select these options and will hit enter to get back to the sheet. Now you can see that when I am going to this cell, there is a drop down here, and from here I can select only out of male or female. Okay. And from here also, there is a list of the department. When I click on the drop down sign, and I can get all the options of the department that is already in the table. So from here I can select anything like this, and my output data will be depending on that. Now if you want to put something else which is not in the drop down list, for example you are typing here, then Excel will show you this error message and you will not be able to type anything else. For displaying the total salary, I have put one simple sum formula here. Now this data is unsorted, and if you want that this table will be also sorted based on some criteria, then you can just put one sort function outside the filter. So you have to place one sort, open the bracket, and at the end you have to put one comma. Then you have to put one number which will represent the sequence of the column in the table. Just like if you want to sort the table based on the salary is in the fourth column, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to put 4 here, and for ascending sorting, you have to put 1, and if you want to sort it in the descending order, then you have to put -1. Now you close the bracket and hit enter, and you see the table is now sorted based on the salary from the highest to the lowest. So overall, this is a very useful feature that can save you a lot of time in the office. Comment below what are the other types of videos you want to see. Thanks for your time.